Okay, today we are going to be going over how to create your own custom forms and what sort of question fields that you're able to do in custom forms, so that the whole organization will be able to see and view them, and then also to complete them while they're in the field. So to do so, we will need to go to the organizational tab. So by clicking on organization, you can see over here on the left, you'll see a forms tab over here. And these form templates are all your own custom forms that you've created. So the publish and unpublish means whether or not everyone else in the company is able to see them in their specific projects. So to create a custom form, just come up here to the top right and click Add Template, and then name it whatever you'd like. We'll name this one Test. Description. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is add a section. This can be whatever you'd like. Let's say you're doing two different tasks with two different sections. We'll just call this section 1 and display it as title. So to begin putting down your own questions, you're going to want to click down and hit plus fields, and this is going to give you your different question field types. So you have a list of them. You have text area, small and large, date input, cost input, checkboxes, vertical checkboxes, vertical radio buttons, current date input, divider, and label. And we will show you what each one of these does. So what you're going to want to do is we'll start off with vertical checkboxes. So your field label is going to be where you put your question. Your description is going to be if you need to have a little bit more information about your question. And then to add your sample boxes, your vertical boxes, you're going to want to just hit Add New Option. So once you do that, you can add the value to it, and then you can go down the list and create your values. So to however many you'll need for save. And you'll be able to see then, this will be your question. And if you want to check out how it looks whenever it's completed, hit Preview. And that's how it'll look whenever it's pulled up on the forms inside of a project. So if we go back, just a quick overview of what each one of these does. So your text input is going to let you have a character limit of 1,000. Your text area large will give you a character input of 4,000. Your text area larger is going to give you 7,000. Date is obviously your date, and you can put your cost in here as well. So that'll be a free form. They'll just be able to input how much cost something was. Your checkboxes are going to be horizontal, so if you want them left to right, and then you'll have a vertical checkboxes as well if you'd like it to be vertical, and then the same with radio buttons. The difference between vertical checkboxes or checkboxes in general and radio buttons is you're going to want to use checkboxes if you would like the guys in the field to have the option to select multiple of them. If you want it to just be a single input, then you would select radio buttons. So let's say they could only select 3. If they selected 2, then it would switch to that. They couldn't select both. Your current date input is going to be there no matter, like, that'll be the date that they actually create the form, and it won't be a field that they're going to be able to choose the date. So there's an important difference between current date input and the actual date. And then this is the way the sections look. If you wanted to have multiple sections in your form, you could, this is in section 1, you can see, you could add a different section and then keep on adding questions from there.